afternoon, everyone. This is Nilesh sir from Nyanda School. Once again, I'm hosting a show which has been hosted by Sports Department of the Nyanda School. Today, we are having a rising star, Bhakti Ghatod. She's coming up with the huge background of nationals, which she have played from the association plus DSO. Right now, she has joined a NDA force. She's qualifying for the NDA. So today, I will be just welcoming Bhakti. Welcome Bhakti to come in the show. So first of all, Bhakti, I want to ask you that you're today standing at a good post. You're going with good things in your career. So what do you mean by the yoga? Where the yoga is supporting you, and really you're doing the yoga today also? You're practicing the yoga today also?
Yeah, for sure. Yoga is something that I just started as in COVID, pandemics and all. I thought something when everyone was home. We cannot play outside sports. So just for trying, I started yoga. But when I came to know, yoga is not at all stuff like meditation and all only. It doesn't came across like that. It is so vast that yoga is something that is a sport. And when you play that, then you know. And yoga basically means meditation and all. Meditation is the one that can give you everything, like the peace of mind, mental stability. And as we are growing up, we have studies and all, many things coming into life, and we have to face it all ourselves. So yoga is something that helps to balance each and everything together and shows that stability, whether it is asanas, whether it is in sports, or whether you are just doing it for fitness and all. And in COVID, we know what yoga did to everyone and has helped it.
So it's good that you're going with that thing. So I want to know about your future planning and dreams, about your dreams. What dreams you're looking after your futures?
Especially I'm an aspirant, and I'm an ND aspirant, National Defence Academy. I would like to join. And the reason why is everyone asks, why not IIT JEE, why not NEET and everything, why not CA? But the join defence forces, because defence forces gives you the life that anyone cannot give. The experiences that defence forces gives, each and everything defence forces taught you. The basic necessities, till the importance of everything. And the loyalty, the discipline, everything armed forces teaches you. So that's why I would like to join NDA and currently studying in 12 and trying to pursue that.
I was also interested in your pathway about the national, how you have qualified for the national. What problems you have faced or what you have learned from that?
First of all, going from the district and all, qualifying districts and all are easy. But when you go to state level, you have everyone over there competing. But the main aim you keep is you have done your practice and you are well enough to be a deserving one. So as I was going in Khelo India and all, so kickboxing, my first divisions was in Sai, Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar. So fortunately it came to me at Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar. Then I went to Ahmednagar for the states and all, that every girl from Raigad and everywhere they came. And especially sports is something na ki har jeet tumko sab sikha deti hai. Everything they teach you.
That's good.
So especially when we went over there. So my first match was there, and what happened in the final match was point fight event I was playing. Light contact I've already won. So they know the game. Like opponents see the game and all. So then they knew the game. When my point fight match started, finals, what she did is pushing. And the pushing and kickboxing is just an official warning. When she threw me away. So she got an official warning and I got my leg injured. So my coach was like, silver pe theek hai, like your health comes first. My parents also were like, it's all right on silver. But I was like, silver causes a regret. For every player, like every athlete knows, silver causes a regret. Bronze is something that it's like, we'll try it next time. But silver is something ki, nahi yaar, gold thode points se rahega. So that's why I played, and that was amazing experience, amazing fighters over there. So my final match was with Raigad once, and I qualified over there, then selected to the nationals to West Bengal. Over there, meeting many of the coaches over there, many big personalities in sports and all. And there you came to know what is discipline with dedication. Like what that D means, discipline with dedication. And everything you play, your coaches and all, the team spirit you take, the whole Maharashtra team over there supporting you, cheering you, whether knowing you are not there. You are not friends and all, but you are playing for the same state. That's what nationals and sports teaches you. So my experience at nationals was amazing. At every event, the management, the team for everything.
That shows why she has gone in NDA. So we can understand that she is really capable for the post of NDA in defense only. So Bhakti, my next question will be that what you will be suggesting to the upcoming stars of India? upcoming Nyanitians?
Just believe in yourself and go wherever you want. Limits are meant to be crossed. Limits are meant to be crossed. So just as everyone, especially I have been the alumni of this school, I have been the student of this school, and that's a big great deal because it doesn't only teach the academics, it also teaches you the life values which you are going to take. Because knowledge is something and application is something that you know in sports and academics. That Nanda teaches you to how to go. They show you the pathway and how to work on it. That's the main thing that our teachers show. Especially you have been my teacher. Thank you so much, and
It's a pleasure.
it's a pleasure for me to everyone in the Nanda English school supporting me, and in any point of life. Now I've passed out from the school. Still all the teachers are in contact, and that's the main thing. That's what I earn. My teachers and all. And my just advice to everyone is just go as your teachers are telling. Just believe in them because they never can see your bad. Just go, believe them, and it doesn't mean you are scoring bad in academics. Doesn't mean you are failure. That is the special thing. Sometimes what we know, sportsmen are balancing both of the sides. So sometimes it's okay to be not to be all rounder, but still trying everything. Multitasking is a big deal. You can go and just do whatever you want. Convince everything. Just be yourself.
So today we have seen Bhakti. She's going on a really good pathway. So hope so will be, and I will be myself will be just wishing her best of the luck for her future for NDA. Hope so we'll be seeing her in a military uniform, defense uniform. She'll be arriving once again with us with the uniform. Then we'll be having a chat again with her. So hope so we'll be meeting soon her. Best of luck for her. Congratulations. Best of luck for your future.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.